Good morning. Cooking with Nasir. You make some pancakes? Okay, today we're making stickers. I think we're making pancakes. So we're gonna need 1 cup of protein pancakes, 2/3 cup of milk, and 1 egg. All right, let's get to pouring. Can you hold this for me?
Yeah.
All done? There you go. 2 hands. You always think you're a 1-hand bandit. Daddy, can you grab us some milk, please?
You want milk, please? Sure. Yay! Let's take a milk.
Say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Good job.
Milk. That milk.
There you go.
Whoa! Milk.
Oh, gotta flip the sausage over here. It's gonna make it taste yummy.
Is it round?
Mm-hmm. Wanna put a little cinnamon in it? Good job. That's perfect.
Look. I did it.
You did do it. This is really good, Nas.
You got it? Oh, wait, let's put it on our plate. Got some more. Some strawberries. Now let's cut this one. We're gonna cut that one again. Okay, let's do this one.
What else do you need on your plate? You need apple?
Yeah.
I think you need some sausage
Yeah.
and some pancakes.
Yeah. We're mine. We're mine. Okay.
I'm about to make your pancakes right now.